In this video, you'll see new features of sketching in Vertex G4 version 2018. When you add horizontal or vertical lines, they get a parallel constraint with the coordinate axes. Now, when you add a line locked in 45-degree angle, the line gets a direction constraint, which is indicated by a small arrow next to the line. You can edit the direction constraint by double-clicking the arrow or the constraint in the constraints list in the feature tree. In the value field, you can type the angle in degrees, and in the formula field, you can add an equation. You can make the same changes in the mini toolbar, which appears next to the cursor when you click the arrow. 0 degree is to the right, and the angle grows when rotating anti-clockwise. You can add the direction constraint to a line which is drawn to some other direction by selecting the line and from the context-sensitive menu, Constraints and Fixed Direction. After this, you can edit the direction in the same way as before. When you round many corners at one time, the first corner gets radius constraint and the other ones get equal radius constraints. You can also add a variable or equation for the first corner in the formula field. In the new version of Vertex G4, you can add an equation or a variable for bevel. A side of the bevel is on that side of the corner where you selected it. You can change the sides between each other with the arrow button. When you add bevels for multiple corners at one time, each corner gets its own constraints.